Hey, this is Dustin Pass, and I wanted to stress a few important things about Profit Agent. First, the doors are closing very soon, and I'd hate for you to miss out because I don't know when we'll open it up again. Second, there are a few things that you need to be aware of so that you can make an informed decision. The first thing is that the Profit Agent is covered by a full money-back guarantee. Why should you care about that? Because it gives you 60 days to see if this thing works or not. All right, I can tell you what's going to happen. In the first 2 weeks, you're going to experience a little bit of a drop in equity. That's totally normal, and it's just how the software works. But then over the next couple of weeks, you're going to watch your balance rise. You're going to be flipping out. It really is amazing to watch. You're going to run around trying to figure out where you can get even more money to put in your account because the balance growth is fantastic. All right, you're going to be checking in on it every few hours, but listen, this is a long-term strategy, so relax. Let it do its thing. Don't mess with it. All right. We give you the 60-day guarantee because it's plenty of time to validate for yourself whether or not this works. Or we're not going anywhere. We won't give you a hard time. If you want a refund, all you've got to do is shoot us an email and we'll process your refund right away. It's no big deal. Now, I can confidently offer a refund because I know it works. We've got thousands of people using it now, so I have no problem offering a refund like this. So what are those traders experiencing? Well, most people easily achieve 6% per month. All right. Did you see the video where I showed you what happens when you get a 6% per month return and just let that money compound? Well, let me just show you once again. Let me go over that one more time. If you can start with just $3,000 and receive a 6% per month return in 10 years, that will be a whopping $1.5 million. All right. So what I'm saying is that Profit Agent can double your money every year if it continues to achieve 6% per month. So if your account balance is $10,000 today, it could be $20,000 in just 12 months. If your current balance is $50,000, it could double to $100,000. All right. If you do that 10 years in a row, you, my friend, will be wealthy. All right. That may sound like a long time, but if you had done this 10 years ago, today you could be a millionaire right now. So where will you be in 10 years from now if you don't register to get Profit Agent? That's the question. And it is the $1,000,000 question. Now, most Forex investing tools don't make nearly as much money. All right, they're not fully automated, and they're usually 3 to 10 times the price. I know almost every single Forex investing tool on the market today, and Profit Agent blows them all away with no work, no effort, and it's all done 100% passively. Speaking of knowing every product out there, I want to let you in on a little secret. Most Forex-related software is for hardcore traders. It's not for the regular people who don't want to become Forex traders. And actually, almost all of them are created to make sales. They're not to make the user a strong, steady return. They're created by marketers who are more concerned with their own profits than actually helping people. And that's where they and I part company. All right, that's what it comes down to. Profit Agent was born because I took a winning, proven trading strategy that was already being used to grow accounts, and I found a way to fully automate that strategy so that no work or Forex knowledge for that matter is required by the investor. And I brought that to the market. All right, it's a completely different approach with different motivations and therefore a different outcome. So you may now be wondering, why am I offering Profit Agent for sale if I can use it to make money? Well, the short answer is because I'm an entrepreneur. Why wouldn't I do both? All right, I have huge sums of money being traded every day on my behalf by Profit Agent. And that's how I know it works. But because there's a need and a demand for a fully automated investing solution, I'm offering Profit Agent to the general public. That's the American way, right? I've got to say, I'm proud that I've been able to build a real business that creates jobs for people and wealth for investors. Of course, I like helping people, but honestly, that's not my main motivation. I like money, just like everybody else. So speaking of money, how much are we asking for Profit Agent? Well, not as much as we should, that's for sure, especially based on the value that it's providing to those who use it. But first, I just want you to be clear that we, only open the registration for Profit Agent for very short periods of time, and then we close it back down again. We happen to be in one of those periods right now, and you can get access to it right now. But if you wait, even for a few days, there's a good chance that you're going to miss your window of opportunity. That's just the way it has to be. We want to make sure that our customer support team can get everyone handled properly, which means that, unfortunately, we have to limit the number of people that get to take part. It's not a gimmick. That's just how it has to be. We don't have a massive call center, providing some budget support. All right, we've got a very small, dedicated team of customer service representatives that know how to use the software and are actively using it. And because of that, we can't allow thousands of people to register per day. It can't happen. So you don't want to delay. Okay, so how much is it? We've established a realistic retail value of around $5,000, but the price, for the lifetime ownership of the software is not going to be anywhere near that. All right, and keep in mind, this is designed to double your money every year. And what we've decided to do is offer this now for $19.97, which is covered by the money back guarantee. All right, that's the only charge that you're going to pay ever to us. Now, we do also offer a month-to-month option. This is going to allow you to get started for just $379, and it's going to give you access to the software for 3 months. Now, normally for services like this, we charge $369 per month. But for just $10 more, you get 3 months instead of 1. And then it's going to renew month to month after that for just $97 per month, which is really affordable considering the amount of money you're going to be making. And it's just a fraction of the positive return on investment that the majority of our users enjoy. So let me clear up one thing. Aside from access to Profit Agent, you do need some funds to invest in the Forex. Now, many people do start with as little as $1,000. However, I highly recommend starting with at least $3,000 to $5,000 if you have it available. Now, we don't hold that money. That money doesn't come to us. Your investment money is going to be held with a Forex broker of your choice, and you can actually fund that with a credit card. It makes things super simple. And we are going to help you select a broker as part of the simple and easy Profit Agent setup process. When you want access to your funds, you simply fill out a form that your broker provides, and they're going to cut you a check or wire the money into your bank. It's as simple as that. The brokers are fully regulated, and they're financially responsible corporations. So you're going to have access to your money anytime you need it. However, obviously, I say try not to pull it out because your seed money is what's going to build wealth for you. Don't pull it out to go buy a boat until you've got that $1.5 million, if you know what I mean. Now, if you take advantage of the month-to-month option for just $97 per month and you decide later that you'd like to upgrade to full ownership, we're going to give you a credit for the first 3 months. So you won't be penalized in any way if you start off with the month-to-month option, which we think of as a lease almost of the software. We're going to give you full credit as long as you upgrade within the first 3 months so that you can get the lifetime ownership. And even with the month-to-month option, you're going to be covered by the full money-back guarantee. But listen, guys, time is of the essence. In addition to that, we've created an exciting program called Get It Free with 3, which simply means that if you refer 3 other people who take part, we're either going to refund your purchase or give you a credit for future months of service, depending on if you're with the lease option or the buy option. We're going to give you a special link that you can share with people, and if they use that link, you can get Profit Agent for life for free. Guys, do you hear me? You can get it for free. All right, now you're going to get more details on that after you register. You know what, though? Before I go any further, let me just bring this back around to discuss why you want Profit Agent again in the first place. The Forex market is huge, guys. I mean, it's massive. $4 trillion change hands every single day. Profit Agent was created to pull in a minuscule amount of that and put it into your personal account. Now, if you want to be rich, you've got to go where the money is and where you can use leverage. And brokers let you use leverage, meaning you can control much more than you actually have. And you're not accountable or responsible for the money that you're borrowing, essentially. This gives you a tremendous ability to make a lot of money. The only market that has both qualities, massive size and leverage, is the Forex market. When I got started, I had to spend a couple of years staring at charts, sometimes 16 hours a day to make it work, and I was one of the lucky ones. 95% of traders fail at Forex miserably. That's why you need Profit Agent. All right, we take the strategy of a winning trader and let you profit the same way he does, making the same money, but it's fully automated. All right, our professional traders do the work. Profit Agent puts his profits into your account, essentially. You can hire a fund manager to do this for you, but they're going to take 30 to 40% off the top, plus fees, and that just sucks. Profit Agent gives you the power of the Forex market, the ability to use leverage without being responsible for that extra cash, and allows you to earn money 24/6 totally passively. It's truly revolutionary, and that's why so many people want it. The setup is fast and simple, but we do have an option where we can set it up for you so you know it's done right. All right, you're going to see that option as well once you get through the registration process. Now, yes, you can use a self-directed IRA if you prefer. If you don't know what that is, then don't worry about it. But if you have one, you can use those funds as well. And while you'll want to double check with your accountant, because we're not CPAs and we're not giving tax advice, but we've been told that for most people, the software is fully tax deductible if you're itemizing your deductions as a business expense. So listen, that's all I have for you. Registration is closing very soon. Profit Agent is available now, but it won't be available for very long. All right, this is a huge opportunity that only a small group of people are going to get to take part in. Now remember, Profit Agent has returned 18% per month for many months. But even at 6%, that's all you need to double your money every year. And if you do that for 10 years, you can grow a one-time investment of just $3,000 into $1.5 million, guys. So click on the Get Started button below. Get started, begin this simple and easy registration process. Put yourself in the path of wealth by getting involved in the Forex. I highly recommend you do it with Profit Agent. It really is the only fully automated passive income solution out there. So do it right now, and start doubling your money today. Click the Get Started button now.